How to use this pasta machine. First set up the parts of the machine. This is the part. Open the cover, then start assembly. Open this one. Put the spiral part. This is the metal bit. Insert it. Insert it and combine. Yeah, it's aligned already. This is the chip that we use for hard pasta, fettuccine. Put inside and attach. Then make it red, going to right. And it's done. It's already stopped. Make it thread properly. Make it tight and nice. Okay.